And then we move into theory. So what literature reviews are going to give you is they're going to give you some of the basic theories that might be connected. And so part of what you look for in the articles you're reading is some of the theoretical ideas that exist in your field. And so again, social work is not just about practice. It's about, are there certain ways that work well? Are there certain ways of understanding our clients and their problems and how those different issues fit together? So theories are really important because without them, it's just kind of, a crazy hit and miss guessing game. And so theories give us direction about what way we should go. So there's a couple of different approaches that you can take when it comes to just getting started, and one is called deductive and the other is called inductive. And so when it's deductive, it means you already start with a theory. You kind of have a sense of what this issue is. If I'm interested in substance abuse, I kind of already understand that there's a theory that says that people with substance abuse issues have less, for example, some theories say they have less personal control over their behavior. And I want to develop a test that says if I help them get control over their behavior, then maybe the substance abuse goes down. So you start with a theory. But let's say you're doing inductive. Maybe you happen to observe that there was a group of people that had suddenly gotten rid of a substance abuse problem after they had a life-changing event. So maybe you don't have an explanation for that and you want to understand, well, how does this work? And you kind of just want to observe and figure out at the end if there's a connection there. And so that would be called inductive. So there's a couple of different ways to approach it, and you want to narrow that down from the beginning. Of course, I gave you here a couple of videos that go into much more detail to explain the difference of that, and so you can look at the basic detail about that, and as well as when would be a better situation of as far as using either type of reasoning.